Finger puppet theater.
Presents.
Who can make the sun rise? Sprinkle it with dew. Oi, piss off! Piss off! Get out of my candy shop, little bastard!
I never get any free candy.
Piss off! Piss off, little bastard! Yeah. Poor Charlie, he deserves so much more. Cheer up, Charlie. No need to frown. Ah! Jesus Christ, you scared me, little bastard! Piss off!
Money for your tobacco.
No, Charlie, you keep it. Go out and buy a Wonka bar.
Really, Grandpa?
Yeah, and get me some pussy.
I got a golden ticket.
Oh, get the bastard! Get me the recipe for the unsinkable gobstopper. And I will give you money.
Lots of money?
Yes. And I promise I probably won't rape you.
No, because I just want the freedom of
That's great. Yeah.
Look, Grandpa. Look, Grandpa. Here comes Willy Wonka.
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's just a trick. It's just a trick.
No, Charlie, I think he's dead.
Oh, fuck. He's had a stroke. Willy. Willy. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, Grandpa. The factory is so big and fantastic.
I want an Oompa Loompa, Daddy. How about that one? No. You can't have that one, child. That's Tommy. He's retarded. But I want him. He throws shit everywhere. Ew.
Grandpa, that girl always wants everything.
Yes, Charlie. She's a spoiled little pussy.
Grandpa, I didn't know you used that word.
Shove it, you cunt.
Chicken, a snake.
Is that a man with cockroaches on his head?
Is that a chicken getting its leg cut off?
I think I'm gonna throw up.
I think I'm gonna throw up on you.
Whose idea was it to put in a boat? I think this is it, Charlie. We should have listened to that Wonka fella.
We're getting closer to the fan.
Charlie, there's something I've always wanted to tell you.
Yeah?
You're a bastard, I don't like you.
Ah, fuck.
Ah, crap. God
Another
damn it.
one with a
Tommy,
retarded face.
come and clean up this shit again. You, Charlie, come live with me and take over my factory. How would you like that?
Well, I'm not too sure yet. I've been molested too many times to know.
Piss off, you pedophile! Come on, Charlie. Let's get you away from all these pedos.
You're not gonna rape me again, are you, Grandad?
Shut up.
That wasn't my sin included.
Piss off, you German bastard. Oh, Mr. Wonka, it's so big. I know, bitch.
Mr. Wonka, can you let me out of this cage?
Piss off, Charlie. Oompa, loompa, loompa-dee. I've got another puzzle for you. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa, loompa, loompa-dee.